In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Watch Dogs to enable cheats like infinite money, skills, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Password type trainer. Click on OK. Open the extracted folder and double click on the application. Select Yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on the no reloader. Use these keys to activate the cheat. Infinite ammo. And once you turn on the cheats, activate the trainer. Press F1 key. Now get back to the game. I show you guys it's working. Infinite ammo and no reloader. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.